Assalamu Alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we will cover following topics: dialog box keyboard shortcuts and natural keyboard shortcuts. First of all, we learn about the dialog box keyboard shortcuts. Press tab and it will help you to move forward through options. Press enter and carry out the command for the active option or button. When you press F1, it will display help. When you press F4, it will display the items in the active list. When you press spacebar, it will clear or select the checkbox if the active option is a checkbox. Press backspace if a folder is selected in the save as or open as, then use backspace to open a folder one level up. Press arrow keys and select. It will help you to select a button if the active option is a group of option buttons. Ctrl plus tab will help you to move forward through tabs. Shift plus tab will help you to move backward through options. Press Ctrl plus F12. It will help you to open dialog box. Press Alt plus underline letter. Select the corresponding option, or you may carry out the corresponding command. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus tab and it will help you to move backward through tabs. The keyboard shortcuts going to be covered in this heading can be used with Microsoft Natural Keyboard or any other compatible keyboard. That includes the window logo key, and the window logo key is displayed over here in the brackets. When we press window logo, it will display or hide the start menu. When we press window plus break, it will display the properties dialog box. Window plus D show the desktop. Windows plus M minimizes the windows. Window plus Shift plus M, it will restore the minimized windows. Window plus E, it will open my computer. Window plus F, search for a file or folder. Press Ctrl plus Window plus F, search for computers. Press Windows plus F1, it will display Windows help. Windows plus L, switch users if you are not connected to a network domain, or local computer if you are connected to a network domain. Window plus R will help you to open the run dialog box. Press Windows plus U, open the utility manager. That's all from this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the video.